we are going to discuss about the divisibility of any number. We will see the divisibility of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and also 10. So now let's start. Divisibility by 2. If the unit digit of any number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then the number is divisible by 2. Now let's take an example. 2, 3, 4, 6. If the number 2, 3, 4, 6, it is divisible or not, and the last digit is 6, so the number is divisible by 2. Now the divisibility by 3. If the sum of its digit is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Now let's take an example. 3, 6, 9. The sum of 3, 6 and 9 is 9 plus 6 plus 3 and it is 18. So the number is divisible by 3. And if we take another example of 3, 6, 4, then the summation of 3, 6 and 4 is 13. So the number is not divisible by 3. Now divisibility by 4. If the last two digit is divisible by 4, then the number is only divisible by 4. Now let's take an example of 476. The last two digits are 7 and 6. The 76, this number is divisible by 4, so the total number is divisible by 4. Divisibility by 5. If its unit digit is 0 or 5, unit digit or last digit is 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. So now let's take an example. 570. The unit digit or the last digit is 0, so the number is divisible by 5. Divisibility by 6. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6. Now let's take an example. 270. The number 270 is divisible by 2 because the unit digit or the last digit is 0, and it is also divisible by 3 because the summation of 2 and 7 is 9, and this 9 is divisible by 3, so the number is also divisible by 3, and as the number is divisible by 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6. Divisibility by 7. Okay, now let's take an example, then I will discuss about it. 4, 5, 3, 7, 7, 9, 2. Okay, divide the number into groups of 3 digits from right side. Starting from the right side, you just first divide the numbers in 3 digits. And I am dividing, and the last 3 digit, and here is the middle 3 digit, and here is the one single number. Starting from the right, at first you divide the number into groups of 3 digit. Then sum of numbers in odd place minus sum of numbers in even place. Odd place are, this is the number 1 place, this is the number 2 place, and this is the number 3 place. So the odd place are 3 and 1. Summation of 4 and 792. 4 plus 792 summation, and the summation of numbers in even place. In even place there is only one number, that is 537. And now we will determine the difference of these two. Okay, let's check. 4 plus 792 equals to 796 minus 537, and that is 259. Okay, now the point number 3 is, if the difference is 0 or 7, 0 or divisible by 7, the number is not 0 but the number is divisible by 7. Let's check. 259 divided by 7, that is 37. Okay, so the number is divisible by 7. So this this number is also divisible by 7. If the difference is 0 or the divisible by 7, then the total number is divisible by 7. Okay. Now divisibility by 8. If the last 3 digits is divisible by 8, then the number is divisible by 8. Okay, now let's take an example. 4192. The number 4192, the last 3 numbers is 192. Is this number divisible by 8? Let's check. 192 divided by 8. 24. Yes, this number is divisible by 8. So, the number 4192 is divisible by 8. Divisibility by 9. The sum of its digits is divisible by 9. So, the number will be divisible by 9. Okay, now let's take an example. 246591. Okay, now we will check the summation of 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 9 plus 1. The summation is 27. You can see here the summation is 27. Is 27 is divisible by 9? Yes, the number 27 is divisible by 9. So, the total number 246591 is also divisible by 9. And the divisibility by 9 and the divisibility by 3 is quite similar. Now divisibility by 10. If the unit digit or the last digit is 0, then the number is only divisible by 10. And we take an example like 280. If the unit digit is 0, then it is divisible by 10. It is my first video. Please let me know the in comment section, and all suggestions are welcome. And if you like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.